David measures how tall his tomato plant is every week. A table of values provided. So we're given time and height. And one of these has to be the independent and dependent variable. One thing to notice is the height will depend on the time. So the longer you go, the taller the plant will be. So height will be the dependent, and then the time will be independent. So think of this as x and y. Like this will be your x, this will be your y. Now if you look at A, it has the height of the plant being independent, but we said that it has to be dependent. For B, time is independent, but amount of water is dependent. Well, we're not measuring amount of water here, so that's wrong. C is independent as a height of plant. That's wrong because we said that's the dependent variable. And then D is independent as time, dependent as height of plant. This one is correct. Now we have a number line represents a range of a function y here. So as you can see, y is between -3 and 7, but at -3 there's a solid circle there, so you want it to be less than or equal to. And then at 7 it's an open circle, so you want that to be strictly less than. So y could be greater than or equal to -3, but less than 7. So the answer is D. Now the last one, we want to see which of the following is not a function. So for something not to be a function, you want to have one x value having two or more y values. So for example, if we have 1 comma 2 and 1 comma -3, the x value is going to two separate y values. You can't have that because that's not a function. It fails the vertical line test. So the quick way to do this is to look at only the x values and make sure that they're all different. If they're not all different, you have to investigate the y values. So let's look at the first one. Notice all the x values are the same. So this is a function. Or all different, sorry. All the x values are all different, therefore it's a function. Same thing with the second one. They're all different, so that's a function. But the third one, you see how there's 2 3s for the x value. That means that it's not a function, because 3 is going to two separate y values, and that fails the vertical line test. And then D, they're all different, so that one's okay.